This video will guide you through the complete installation process for your built-in golf screen kit. You'll want to start by organizing your kit. Your kit will include corner cable anchors with pulley wheels and safety wire linchpins, starter panels with screws and drywall anchors, snap hooks with screws and drywall anchors, a top cable, impact screen with pre-fed bottom cable, zip ties, hook and loop straps, cable locks with release pins, and detached flaps. For tools, make sure you have a socket wrench kit, tape measure, laser level or plumb line, drill and driver bits, and a step ladder. We also highly recommend grabbing a friend who owes you a favor. Before you start, take time to plan, measure, and align your golf room installation properly. A link to detailed assembly instructions is included to help guide you step by step in the assembly process. These instructions assume straight, even 2x4 wood frame walls. Plan to place your screen at least 1 foot away from the back wall to allow room for fast-flying golf balls. Use a laser level to align all components on an even plane and remove or adjust trim and obstructions. Now, it's time to install the hardware. Start with your corner cable anchors. Measure at least 1 foot from each corner of the back wall and mark the placement for all 4 anchors, 2 on the floor and 2 on the ceiling. Place a floor anchor with a tapered end pointing up on the center of your 12-inch mark. Make sure it's level. Mark the bottom angled hole and drill a pilot hole at a downward angle into the bottom plate of the wall. Secure the anchor using 1 1/4-inch leg screw. Use a hand ratchet to tighten the anchor snug to the wall and make sure the leg screw is not over-tightened into the anchor. Repeat for the remaining anchors, making sure the 2 ceiling anchors are installed with the tapered ends pointing down. Next, install your starter panels in a straight, even line just in front of the corner cable anchors. Start at the bottom against the floor. Align it with your cable anchor and screw it into a stud or use drywall anchors. If you need to use drywall anchors, a tip is to screw the panel into the drywall to create your marks for your anchors. Remove the starter panel and screws and put anchors in your marked holes. And then rescrew the starter panel into the anchors. Continue installing starter panels up the walls and across the ceiling. To finish the hardware setup, install your ceiling snap hooks. Orient the clip openings toward the rear of the room and secure them flush against the starter panels. Drill them securely into a ceiling stud or use drywall anchors, and try to keep them spaced out evenly along the ceiling. Now it's time to install the impact screen. The screen uses a top and bottom cable. The bottom cable is pre-fed through the bottom of the impact screen, while the top cable gets installed first. Press the top cable into 1 ceiling corner cable anchor. Insert the pulley wheel and secure it with a linchpin through the lower hole. Repeat on the opposite side. The top cable should span the ceiling with an even amount hanging down on both sides. Finish by clipping the cable into your ceiling snap hooks. Next, grab the impact screen with cable. When unfolding the screen, be careful to keep the screen from touching the floor and becoming dirty. Orient the impact screen with the Carl's Place logo in the top left. Loosely zip tie the top 2 corners of the screen around the pulley wheel of the ceiling anchors. Your screen should now hang loosely with the bottom cable laying on the floor. Take the pre-fed bottom cable, press it into a floor corner anchor, and secure the pulley wheel with a linchpin. Repeat on the other side. Next, you'll need the cable locks. To connect the top and bottom cables on each side, feed each end into the angled holes of a cable lock and pull the ends taut to secure. Return to the floor anchors and add a zip tie through each bottom corner grommet around the pulley wheel. Now, switch to hook and loop straps. Starting along the top of the screen, use straps through each grommet and around the cable. Tighten each strap only enough to maintain an even gap between the edge of the screen and the ceiling. Feed the end through a grommet and around the cable with the soft loop facing out. Insert into the buckle and fold back to secure. Work your way along the top and then down both sides. Keep your screen centered as you go rather than trying to shift it later. Check your screen tension and spacing. Make sure the bottom is level with the floor and straps are adjusted for an even gap along all edges. Next, identify your detached flaps. Flap length varies by room size. The width flap spans the width of your screen and has intersecting hook and loop strips on one side. The height flaps span the height of your screen and have a long hook fastener strip on each side. The flaps have a matte side and a shiny side. It looks best when the matte side faces the golfer. Start by attaching the top width flap by attaching the corner of the hook and loop on the flap to the top corner of the hook and loop on the screen. Continue along that top edge. If you did not purchase the optional foam inserts, continue by lifting the flap up and securing it to the ceiling with the hook and loop strips. If you purchase the optional foam inserts, you'll install those starting at the center with the narrow edge of the foam against the frame. Wrap the flap around the foam to secure it with the hook and loop strips. Any excess foam at the ends will be used behind the height flaps next. For the side height flaps, align starting at the top, fold over, and secure to the wall starter panels. Tuck any excess flap material in at the bottom. Review your work and reattach the hook and loop to smooth out any lines as necessary. Your built-in golf screen kit is now complete. You can now finish installing any additional protective add-ons such as wall panels to your existing enclosure setup. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to shoot us an email, give us a call, or contact us on our website. We want to see your new golf setup. Go to www.carlofet.com/sharewithus to send pics, videos, or reviews, or tag us with #MyCarlsPlace on social media. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on building, using, and enhancing your golf simulator.